या आयुष, सो या हम लोग क्या बोले कि इंफिनिटी कब भी होता है, क्या ऑलवेज वी कंपेयर। इन्फिनिटी का क्या मतलब, वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू
Yeah.
कंपेयर वैल्यू, कि ऐसा नहीं है। यदि हम बोले ये, इफ सपोज वी हैव दिस नंबर 100,000 ऐसे करके, ठीक है, इतना है, इसकी पावर
I understood. Infinity cannot be like it is very high number.
नहीं। ओके, जस्ट टेल मी, इज दिस नंबर इंफिनिटी कंपेयर टू दिस नंबर? क्या नंबर ए और क्या नंबर बी इंफिनिटी है? दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर इंफिनिटी है, ये बताओ।
None of them are infinity.
या सो इंफिनिटी क्या होता है?
Both of them look infinity.
नहीं नहीं, हाँ हाँ, बट हम लोग इन्फिनिटी जब भी बोलते हैं ना, कंपेयर करते हैं किसी वैल्यू से, ठीक है। इफ आई से
From this value that is not infinity, it is reachable.
या इट इज
From
फॉर,
that,
या फ्रॉम दैट, फ्रॉम ए टू बी यू कैन रीच, फ्रॉम बी टू ए आल्सो यू कैन रीच, ओके। So you
yeah.
cannot say here, but when I tell you 1, so this number a or number b is infinity compared to 1, okay. So this is the basically funda of infinity. Now let us move up. Now what you have to see, what I told you, let's say you have x1 is 2 greater than 5. So what here is x
Yeah.
greater than 7. So see here we have the
Yeah.
number line, okay. See, we have the number line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, up to show on. This is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and up to show on. This is equal to, up to infinity, and from here -1, -2, -3, up to show on, it will go in this way, and this is minus infinity. Now see, you have got the solution x greater than 7, okay. So
Yeah.
what does this mean? X greater than 7 means just take this
Means
number,
7 value.
या 7, ये 7 के वैल्यू पर जस्ट मार्क लिटिल बिट योर पॉइंट पेन, एंड ग्रेटर देन बोला है,
From 8 of from 8. From
नो
8.
नो नो, जस्ट वेट, ओके, जस्ट लेट मी,
From 7.1.
I just listen, okay, just listen, then just listen. When I ask you to say, then I say, okay, okay, otherwise it's always not good, okay. Ayush, hello,
Yeah.
okay, when I ask you something, then only speak, okay. So हम बोल रहे, I
I
ask
like
you,
to interact in class. But
yeah
I
yeah
don't like to sit silent.
yeah, fine, that's good, okay.
But then it becomes very boring. Like I'm just listening to a lecture and then it becomes participatory if I'm participating in a discussion.
Okay, okay, fine, that's good. But okay, yeah. So यहाँ पर क्या है, x is greater than 7. So x is greater than 7. It means any value that is greater than 7 will be in this range. Okay. So what is here 7? देखो यहाँ पर 7 है, तो this is here 7.1. This is here 7. Let's say 7.8. So x greater than 7 में ये 7.1 भी आएगा, 7.8 भी आएगा, 8 भी आएगा, अब तो मतलब यहाँ से सारी वैल्यू आएगी, ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yeah.
So when I am telling you x is greater than 7 is your solution, it means that this is your number line, and this is your 7, and this is your 8, this is 9. So from here onward everything. So how will you write in your answer sheet in your paper? So we will write in this way. There are two ways in which we write. So one is closed interval, other one is open interval, okay, and third one is basically mix
Okay.
of both. This is called semi closed or semi open interval, okay. Now see,
Okay.
what do we mean by closed interval? So basically this is interval, okay, this is also interval, this is also interval, okay. अब देखो इंटरवल का मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे यहाँ पर I told you x greater than 7, x greater than 7 means we have to take the values just greater than 7, मतलब 7.00001 ये वाला वैल्यू, राइट, फिर 7.1, 7.2, 3, 4 ऐसे करके अप टू इनफाइनाइट तक, ठीक है. So
Yeah.
here means we do not have to take value of exactly 7. ये exactly 7 वाला वैल्यू नहीं आएगा ना, right, because we have been asked greater than 7 means 7 से बड़ी होनी चाहिए वो वैल्यू, बट 7 नहीं ले सकते हैं, समझ में आ रहा है? It's greater than 7, so we cannot take 7. So for here, if we don't have equality sign, okay, यदि ये इक्वल है ना, यदि ये साइन नहीं है, राइट, x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 7 हो सकता है, x इक्वल टू 7 हो सकता है, x ग्रेटर देन 7 हो सकता है. तो जब भी हमें ये वैल्यू चाहिए मींस जस्ट ग्रेटर देन 7, सो वी यूज ओपन ब्रैकेट, ओपन इंटरवल। सो हम लोग यहाँ पर वैल्यू क्या लिखेंगे, 7 टू इंफिनिटी। ये हमारा आंसर हो गया एंड वी विल राइट इन दिस वे। फाइन, ये समझ में आया? ये देखो,
Okay.
दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज आवर स्मॉल पैरेंथेसिस, ये हमारा स्मॉल ब्रैकेट है, दिस इज कॉल्ड इंटरवल, दिस इज वन इंटरवल 7 से इंफिनिटी तक है, ठीक है, 7
Okay.
से इंफिनिटी। एंड ऑन द नंबर लाइन जस्ट दिस इज द वैल्यू 8 9 अप टू इंफिनिटी। ओके, तो यहाँ पर इसको हम लोग ऐसे करके सर्कल बना देते हैं, सर्कल को डॉट नहीं करेंगे, शेड नहीं करेंगे, इट मीन्स हमारा वैल्यू यहाँ से यहाँ ऐसे करके ऐसे आएगा, ये सारा रीजन हमें चाहिए, बट 7 नहीं लेना है हमें। अब क्लोज्ड इंटरवल का क्या मतलब है, लेट्स से तुम्हारे पास रहता है x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 7, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर वैल्यू आ गई 7। अब हमें 7 भी चाहिए और 7 से बड़ी सारी वैल्यू चाहिए, ठीक है, 7 8 9 10 अप टू शॉन इन्फिनिटी, ठीक है। सो हम इस बार 7 को भी ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि since we are taking 7 also, so this time we will just set this 7 value so that we keep in mind that yeah we need to include the 7 value also. So हमें यहाँ से up greater than 7 we need to take every value. So how will you write, we write the closed, and what is this close, we close in this way, this big bracket we call it close value. Got it, समझ में आया?
Okay. So
Okay.
means a bracket, rectangle bracket means that is equal to, and a circular bracket means that is not equal to that.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Okay. And
Means
one,
it is little less than that.
yeah,
Cannot be
little.
right. Cannot be right bracket in the rectangle bracket after infinity.
No, we cannot write because infinity is a value. See, we always use open bracket for infinity. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And why so? Because infinity is a value that we cannot reach actually. Okay. Infinity is a value.
Okay.
See, this infinity is quite many times bigger than this 7. Okay, when you compare, so you cannot reach to infinity. Infinity is such a number which you cannot see actually, and I told you now, this 10, this 10 is also infinity if you compare with 0.000000001. Okay, this is infinity than 10. Okay, because see, this 10 is, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means 10 power 10 times greater than this 10. Okay, so there is a comparison, that is the reason why we cannot use close bracket for infinity, we always use open bracket. Okay.
Okay. Then.
Okay, yeah, fine. So now the next concept comes, this is the semi. So what is semi, basically what is the semi interval? Okay, let's say you have the value 5 to 7 and you need to include the answer in that. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि हाँ x की वैल्यू हमारी 7 से छोटी होना चाहिए बट 5 से बड़ी होनी चाहिए, we say right, you
Yeah.
must have heard of all these things कि मतलब we need a value that is less than equal to 7 but greater than equal to
So
5.
open bracket in terms of 5 in circle, and matlab, shaded will be on
या 7. ओके, सो यहाँ पर शेडेड होगा, यहाँ पर हमारा ओपन होगा. ओके,
5 and shade on 7,
या
and the entire shade till that point.
या
Yeah, entire shade.
या सो दिस इज आवर आंसर, राइट राइट, x belongs to, so this is the
Yeah,
value of
and
what,
there will be shade. There will be shade.
हाँ shade in this what, see we don't want x equal to 5, got it, we do
Acha.
not want x equal to 5, so यहाँ पर ये open रहेगा, here we will use the open bracket and we want x
No,
equal
the
to,
entire region will be shaded, right?
yeah, entire,
5 to 7 will be shaded, right?
yes,
Yeah, I don't know.
okay, so this is the our answer. Fine. So ये तो हमारा पहला
Okay.
कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, ये हमारा पहला कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया. अब एक दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट आता है जो वो भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो जस्ट क्योंकि आगे बढ़ने के पहले यू शुड डेफिनेटली नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स. अब ये बताओ,
Okay.
एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 25 है, सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स?
Plus minus 5.
ओके, दैट्स गुड. x इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 5, ये हमारा आंसर होगा. या दैट्स रियली गुड. ओके, नाउ यदि x इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 25 होता तो x की
5.
वैल्यू 5 होती। ओके, सो अब x इक्वल टू क्या प्लस माइनस 5 यहाँ हो सकता है?
हाँ, -5 इंटू हो सकता है, -5 इंटू -5 also. Yeah, -5
जस्ट
possible.
जस्ट थिंक, ओके जस्ट थिंक अगेन।
-5 into -5 का root is also root of 25. It is possible.
ओके फाइन, सो जस्ट वन थिंग व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू कि you will study when I will teach you in the function, okay, but for the time being just keep this thing in mind. This concept I will elaborate in the function chapter, but to study inequalities you just need to understand one thing. You must know one concept, क्या कि हमारा ये जो वैल्यू होता है x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 25 इफ राइट, एंड x इक्वल टू +5 भी होगा, x इक्वल टू -5 भी होगा, ठीक है। बट
Yeah.
when I tell you is equal to under root of 25, so this value is always equal to +5. यदि ये तुम -5 लिखते हो so this is wrong, okay, x not equal to -5। अब क्यों होता है ऐसा, why is this so? क्योंकि हमारे जो वैल्यू ये अंडर रूट के अंदर जो लिखी रहती है ना, अंडर रूट के अंदर ये वाली वैल्यू लेट से
Mm-hmm.
a है, so this a is always greater than 0 means क्या, greater than equal to 0 means this is a positive number, okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
positive
So
number।
positive number can be achieved by minus minus also, right?
yeah,
Into minus into minus.
yeah, I will tell you, okay, okay, I will tell you।
Yeah, yeah,
so here for the time being just listen कि ये
yeah.
नंबर यहाँ हम लोग लिखते हैं, okay, whatever number we write it here, this is called a domain, okay, this is called domain, and domain is always greater than equal to 0 for this value, so x is never equal to -5 in this case, because under root के अंदर जो रहता है means see here under root of 25, right, अंडर
Mm-hmm.
रूट ऑफ 25, सो अंडर रूट के इसके जो अंदर रहती है वैल्यू, रूट के अंदर जो वैल्यू रहती है दैट इज ऑलवेज ए पॉजिटिव। सो जब तुम उसको रूट से बाहर निकालोगे तब भी वो पॉजिटिव ही रहेगी, ओके, दैट विल अगेन बी ए पॉजिटिव नंबर जब तुम उसको रूट से बाहर निकालोगे। मीन समझो कि कोई बंदा अपने घर में है, उसकी वैल्यू
Mm-hmm.
+25 है, तो वो घर से बाहर भी निकलेगा तो वो प्लस ही रहेगा ना, ठीक है, वो माइनस
Mm-hmm.
नहीं बनेगा ना, ये माइनस नहीं बनेगा, ओके। तो ये घर क्या है, यहाँ पर अंडर रूट है, समझ में आया? सो ये काफी
Mm-hmm.
इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है, कंफ्यूज मत करना, ये काफी बच्चे गलत करते हैं। व्हाट इज द वैल्यू, अंडर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू ए, ठीक है,
Okay.
ओके, सो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड। अब नाउ लेट मी टेल यू अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट। बच्चा तुमने मॉडलेस सुना होगा, राइट, मॉड ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू ए सुना है, या फिर एक्स
Yeah.
इक्वल टू मॉड ए, ऐसा कुछ सुना है?
Yeah.
ओके, सुना है ना, ओके, सो बच्चा सब यही कंफ्यूज करता है। तो ये बताओ, लेट से हम तुम्हारे पास लिखे मॉड एक्स इक्वल टू 5, तो एक्स की क्या वैल्यू होगी?
Mod x is equal to 5. So x is always equal to 5 only.
ओके फाइन, ओके, सो इसी,
Means plus minus x is equal to 5. So x is equal to plus 5 or minus 5.
ओके फाइन,
No, always plus x. Mod is always plus x. Means x is 5 only.
ओके फाइन, जस्ट लिसन, ओके,
5 only.
सो सी मॉडुलस, ओके, जस्ट ये सब एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन है, ओके,
Yeah.
व्हाई, बिकॉज वी विल बी कवरिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन द डिटेल, बट यू शुड डेफिनेटली नो ऑल दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इन द स्टार्टिंग। सो व्हाट इज
Agree.
दिस, ओके, सो डोंट वरी, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। मॉडुलस, ठीक है, व्हाट इज मॉडुलस? तो देखो मॉडुलस हम लोग लिखते हैं मॉड एक्स इक्वल टू लेट से 5 कहते हैं, ठीक है। सो ये क्या है, मॉड मींस, मॉड होता क्या है बेसिकली, मॉड इज डिस्टेंस, ओके, मॉड इज डिस्टेंस, और डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव नंबर। अब जैसे लेट से तुमको हम बोले कि यू हैव टू वॉक 1 किलोमीटर, इट्स फाइन, बट व्हेन आई से यू वॉक -1 किलोमीटर, इट्स टोटली रॉन्ग, राइट, -1 मीटर का
Agree.
कपड़ा, राइट, -1 मीटर क्लॉथ, हैव यू एवर हर्ड? नो ना, 1 meter
No.
cloth you have, okay, so what is mod? So हम लोग जो कहते हैं अपने like daily day to day life में, so this mod is basically your distance, okay, so this is one distance,
Mhm.
and this distance is basically we use only in the case of real life, but when it comes to maths we always have the negative value also, we also have the positive value also, we have the infinity, we have the zero, everything, okay. So in our day to day life we use zero and positive number, we rarely use infinity also, okay. So अब ये mod का मतलब क्या होता है ये समझो. So what is mod basically? If you have mod x equal to let's say 5, okay, so हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, x equal to plus 5 if x is greater than 0, x equal to minus 5 if x is less than 0. अब ये क्या है ये समझो, ये क्या है ये समझो. अब हम अभी बोले मॉड के अंदर वाली वैल्यू क्या है, एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है ना. हेलो.
Yeah.
ओके.
Yeah. Yeah.
ओके ये इसका टेक द, ओके जस्ट लिसन इट केयरफुली, ओके, बिकॉज दिस आर द न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट. आई विल डिस्कस एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल, ओके, बट फॉर द टाइम बिंग यू मस्ट नो ऑल दिस. सो मॉड के अंदर वाली वैल्यू ये जो है हम बताएं कि ये एक होती है पॉजिटिव नंबर. अब देखो ये तो लिखा हुआ है मॉड के अंदर, मॉड के अंदर लिखा हुआ है ना. तो अब देखो ये
Yeah.
मॉड ऑफ लेट्स से आई इफ आई राइट मॉड ऑफ 5 एंड मॉड ऑफ -5, तो देखो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, व्हाट इज दिस वैल्यू, मॉड ऑफ 5 क्या होगा, जस्ट यूज दिस
Mod of
कॉन्सेप्ट.
5 is 5.
Mod of
5.
5 is, yeah, and mod of -5.
5.
हाँ. सो ये 5 कैसे है, देखो ये अंदर में तो माइनस है ना, सो ये माइनस के साथ यू हैव मल्टीप्लाइड माइनस, सी हियर minus
Okay.
x less than 0, so we already add one minus before when opening the modulus. So when we open mod, okay, we include one more negative value, or basically we multiply,
Yeah.
okay, we multiply, sorry for that, we multiply by -1, okay, so basically we multiply by -1, because what is this, this is basically -1 into -5, right. So this is your 5. So this is the basically concept. So इसको जनरलाइज कैसे करेंगे, हाउ कैन वी जनरलाइज. सो लेट्स से हमारे पास लिखा है mod of x इक्वल टू a, राइट. तो x क्या होगा, a, क्या x a होगा कब, जब ये हमारे x की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 0 होगी, ठीक है, और x होगा -a कब होगा, जब x इज लेस देन 0, ठीक है, समझ में आया. We have
Okay.
used the same thing, okay, just see here minus,
I didn't get it. X
okay, got it.
is I didn't get it. I didn't get. Yeah. X is minus plus 5 when x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. Then x is plus 5. And x is minus 5 when x is less than 0. Achha, like that you're just writing it on the representation scale when mod of x is equal to 5. But one more thing, that it mod necessarily means distance, or it can be number also. Like the count of clothes can is also modulus only. It cannot be -1 clothes. So mod, just for a symbolic understanding, you say distance, or it's always distance only.
No, it's always distance only, okay, it's always distance. Just listen what
Like if it's like the number of cloths, that also is mod, right?
yeah,
It cannot be minus.
you cannot do minus, yeah. See here,
Number of cookers.
yeah, let's say I write mod x equal to 7, okay, so find x, you have to find the value of x. So what is the x, what value x can take.
X can take, I guess, 7 only, because
See,
X can be -7 also. But if it is -7, we'll add one more minus to make it 7.
yeah, so x will take 7 when we say that x is greater than 0, okay. See here, when we say that, yeah, because the modulus is always positive, so just think that you have a number in mod that is equal to 7. So ये 7 कब कब आ सकता है, when you have -7 and minus का minus will plus, and the other thing if it is not positive only, okay. See here,
Agreed.
you have 0 here, you have plus 7 here, you have minus 7 here. Okay. So modulus
Yeah.
value is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 when x is greater than 0. तो यहाँ से हमें modulus, तो ये mod of 7 this is equal to 7. तो ये जो -7 है तो ये mod में लिखा है, ठीक है। तो अब mod से बाहर निकालोगे तो ये देखो this is a number which is less than 0. If I say
Agreed.
राइट, व्हाट इज दिस हियर, एक्स है ना, एक्स यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ मॉड के अंदर, तो यहाँ पर मॉड लिखा हुआ
Agreed.
7, राइट। सो सी हियर एक्स इज
Agreed.
लेस देन 0, इट्स ए नेगेटिव, ओके, इट्स ए नेगेटिव number, okay. So when, if this is a negative number, what I told you, we introduced another negative number when we open. So if you open it here, we will introduce another negative sign and then we will open and then write as it is. So what it becomes, +7, okay, and this is a positive
Yeah.
number, okay. So this is the why, if I tell you find x, so x is equal to 7 if x is greater than 0. See, okay.
Agreed.
And let's say if x is less than 0. So if we know that x is less than 0, it means that this is lying in this region, okay, in this region. So in this region, if we open the parenthesis, if we open the bracket, then it means that x is equal to minus of, sorry,
-7.
yeah, no, x is less than 0, no. So less than 0, it means it's, see, here we are doing
7.
the
It's
reverse.
-7. I
Yeah,
understood. I understood that in that particular region, we'll just mark that -7 as the with the
yeah,
dot. We'll just
yeah,
mark x value as -7.
yeah.
Okay, I understood.
Okay, so why? Because see, here I have not reversed. Here the question is being reversed. Okay, so that's the reason. So what
Yeah, I
is,
got the point.
okay? So we basically say x equal to plus minus a. Okay, so this is the real
Yeah.
condition. X a when, if yeah. So just remember in this
Yeah.
way,
If a
x
is
greater than
greater
0,
than 0,
x in this way. Okay. Now see
agreed.
one. Now see one thing. If I tell you mod of x equal to -5, so what is the value of x?
-5. How can mod be -5? It's wrong.
Yeah, so answer होगा no value, okay. So because modulus is always positive, okay,
Yeah.
mod is always positive, so no value. And what we represent, this is the value of 5. When you have the no value, means no answer is coming, we represent by 5. This is the
5.
symbol of 5, okay. So this is the basically
Agreed.
symbol of 5, okay. So these are the something important concepts, okay. Now see, let me just go through one more thing. Now let's say we have the number x is greater than y, okay. Now if I
Yeah.
ask, can, if you multiply by constant a into x, will this hold? Is this true?
Yeah, it can be multiplied. But only if it's minus, then only the inequality reverses.
Yeah,
Like minus a x into minus a y, then the inequality will reverse. We can divide with anything. We can add with anything. We can subtraction is not allowed. Basically,
okay,
subtraction is also allowed, I guess.
yeah,
But only if the value becomes negative, then it's not allowed.
no, just see. If okay, just if
Okay.
it's a positive number, okay, a belong to positive number, and if you have x greater than 1, so x plus a greater than y plus a, x minus of a greater than y plus a, and since this is a positive number, so we can always
X
multiply,
minus of a greater than y minus y plus a.
sorry, y minus a, okay, y minus, okay, fine, basically we
Acha,
have
if x is greater than y. Acha.
huh,
So that
this is,
also.
yeah, this
Acha, we
is
can take any value. Like we can take 5 and 7. So if 5 is greater than 7 and 5 minus, supposing the value is no, no, 5 is not greater than, so 7 greater than 5. Okay, then if we minus with supposingly 2,
yeah, so here see,
then also it will hold 2.
yeah, fine.
But if we minus with supposingly 10, then the inequality will reverse, right?
Yeah, then I will teach you. Okay, just listen here. Now see here, a belongs to positive number. So if it is a positive number, then we can definitely multiply. Okay, ax greater than ay. Okay, fine.
Agree.
And now I will teach you further when I discuss you more what happens to the negative. So here also see just x, yeah, just x up, yeah, fine. Now what happens to the negative value? Means a belongs to negative value. Okay, a belongs to negative. Then if x is greater than y, and if you multiply, then in this moment of time the value of inequality will change. Okay, the inequality sign will change. Inequality sign will change. Okay, fine, got it.
Hmm.
If you
Yeah.
know that a belongs to a negative number, then only this inequality sign will change, and remaining there is no difference. Okay, so all these things will hold true. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's come to the main topic. Okay, so now let's
But
first.
that point we have not seen. That if it's minus, if A is supposing minus 10,
Hmm,
2 minus 10, we were seeing that point, right? The number is 7, number is 5,
hmm, 7 greater than
and we are
5.
minusing 10. And we are minusing 10.
Then in this
No, not
time,
into minus 10. We are minusing 10. Just minus
okay,
10, not into.
it will be same. It will be same, right? See, 7
7
minus
minus
10,
10.
5. Okay, so what is this? This is minus 3, and this is what? Minus 5. So which is greater? Tell me.
Acha, minus 3 is only greater. So still
Yeah,
it will hold true.
yeah. So except for this thing,
Okay.
okay, these things, these two will hold true. Okay, these two will hold.
Okay, and even if you are dividing it, also it will make sense. Same. It will be
No,
same.
no. When you are dividing, then also, if you are dividing by minus sign, then also see, just see, if you have 10 greater than, let's say, 5. Okay, now you have
Yeah.
dividing here, just make it 20, because yeah, 20 greater than 10. Now you are dividing by minus 2. Okay, so what is this here? This is minus 10, and this is minus 5. So again, this inequality sign will change. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So inequality will change
Okay.
only in the when you are dividing and when you are subtracting. Oh, sorry, when you are dividing and multiplying.
Okay. And if we are dividing by a non-negative number, then supposing 2, then it will not change, right?
Yeah, it will not
It
change.
will just be 20 divided by 2, that will be 10.
Yeah,
Like x by a greater than y by.
yeah, definitely.
Then it will be 10 greater than 5 only. Then
Yeah.
nothing will change. And if we are dividing by larger number, supposingly like 20 divided by supposingly 1000.
Okay, fine. Just okay. See one thing, and I will discuss in the inequality also. Let's say you have a 1,000 greater than 10,000, right? This is the value of 10,000, or
Mm-hmm.
just do it in this way. And but just change this sign. This is the value. Okay. Now you are telling you are dividing by number which is
No. I was not saying that. I was saying like 2 divided by 1000. I'm just in the same example. If I'm dividing by a larger value,
okay. Fine.
like 2 divide.
See, yeah, I will teach you when x belongs to 0 to 1. Okay, then some property will change it. Okay, because what happens? See, 1 by 2, and here you are writing 1 by 5. So this value is greater, right? So
Yeah.
so this is what 0.5, and this is what 0.2. Okay, now so basically when you are dividing, let's say when you are dividing by 100. Okay, you are dividing by 100. What does this mean? Means that you are basically multiplying by 0.01. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
What is so you can see here also for your understanding. Okay, so 0.0 and now 0.2 into 0.01. So now what this becomes 0.05. Now here, yeah,
Still it will not
fine,
change because
yeah,
0.02 only.
yeah. So what
Fine.
happens? Yeah,
0.02.
okay, so this is always greater.
Still it
Fine.
will do.
Why? What happened? Because this is the sign positive number. Okay, this is what? This is a positive number. Okay,
Yeah.
so they didn't change. But let's say you have 2. This is greater than 1, or 20 greater than 10. Now if you reverse 1 by 20 and this is 1 by 10. Now tell me which value is greater.
Okay, you are reversing that. Okay, then 1 by 10 is greater.
Yeah, so if you are reversing this one, means basically when we take the reciprocal,
Okay,
when we take reciprocal, okay, of a number greater than 1. Why? Because see, 20 is greater than 1 now.
yeah,
Then inequality changes, right?
agreed.
Okay, so this is the concept. X is greater than 1 and 1 by x, 1 by y. Now see, let's say you have been given 0.2. This is greater than 0.1. Okay, now again you need to take care of the plus minus sign when you are multiplying and when you are dividing. Okay, so take care of those
Okay,
signs, but you don't require all this in the cat. Okay, so because cat this also in current term. So just see here, you have 0.2 and here you have 0.1. Now again you want to take the reciprocal, 1 by 0.2 and here 1 by 0.1. Okay, now tell me which value is greater.
Acha. Then so we have to do it manually, right? It will be 10 will go on top, 10 by 2, that will be 5, and 10 by 2, that will be 10.
Yeah,
Still, it will hold true. Like
yeah,
whenever we take the reciprocal, the sign will always same.
yeah. So what we always try to do, see here, when we are going to solve the inequality problem, do not try to take the reciprocal sign. Okay, do not try to take reciprocals. Fine. Why? Because
Okay.
we need to always take care of the sign here. Okay, and here, and when in the question you will always be given in the form of x, and x is a variable. You know what is variable?
Yeah.
So what is that?
Any, you can assume any value like
Any
1, 2,
value.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, so it can assume 1 2 3 4 5, and also it can assume 0, also it can assume -1 -2 -3. Okay, so it can take
Okay.
any value. So we are always advisable, do
Any
not.
positive value. It can be like, it can be points also, right? Like
Yeah,
2.33.
definitely 2.33, 3.4,
Yeah.
-2.3, -4.5, anything. Okay, so you are not
Okay.
advised to take the reciprocal because you do not know what is the exact value of x, whether this is lying in the positive or negative or 0. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the first
So I'm
point.
not advised to use.
Do not try to take reciprocals in inequality questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because it can be 0 also, because 0 divided by 0 is infinite.
Yeah.
And then how will
Okay.
we do that?
Yeah. So and other thing, do not cross multiply. Do not cross multiply if, yeah, why I have told this, because x here again can take positive value, x here can take negative value also. Okay, got
Yeah.
it? So when the x value is positive, then definitely you can cross multiply. See here, 1 by x greater than 1 by y. So since here you know x is positive, y is positive, so you can definitely cross multiply, means 1 greater than x by y. Okay, but if this value is negative, then inequality sign will change it. Okay, got it?
And
If,
even if you cross multiply, the inequality sign changes.
yeah,
Acha.
so but in the question in the beginning you do not know, तुम्हें मालूम ही नहीं है ना कि x पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव, बिकॉज वो तो तुम्हें निकालने के लिए बोलेगा. ठीक है?
Acha, even if you cross multiply, acha, the down term, and if it's negative, acha, then also the inequality will change.
Yeah,
Acha. Okay,
inequality
okay.
will change. Why? Because see here, 1 by -5, this is what, this is always 10. 10 एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है और ये एक नेगेटिव नंबर है.
हाँ,
ठीक है? अब देखो तुम यहाँ नेगेटिव है तुम्हारे पास. ठीक है? एंड योर,
हाँ.
so -5 into 10, since you have multiplied by -5. Okay, since you have multiplied by
So 1 is
-5.
less than 50.
या सो 1, तो ये पॉजिटिव वाला बड़ा होगा ना नेगेटिव से. So see here,
हाँ, minus 50.
yeah. So always do not try to cross multiply if possible.
But can we say that -1/5? So -1 के ऊपर negative है, and it is greater less than 50. Like that also we can say, right?
Yeah, definitely you can say. Yeah. So देखो
Instead of -5, the -1 or 1 1.
Yeah. See, again, here you had cross multiplying with a positive number. So again, inequality will not change. But the question arises, what if the value is negative? Okay. Here you are telling
Okay.
that multiply by 10. 10 is what? 10 is a positive number, no? 10
No,
is
no,
positive.
not like that. I'm saying the minus is not on 5. The minus is on -1. Minus
Okay.
like -1 by 5 is there. Then the inequality is there.
Huh. See, then what? Then always this will hold
-1
true.
is less than 50. Yeah,
So,
true.
yeah. See, so what is happening? You are again multiplying with a positive number. Okay. What is 5? 5 is a positive number. What is 5? This is 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, inequality will not change. But if minus is in denominator, then this value.
Acha, x can be minus also, right?
Yeah.
Acha.
Okay.
Acha, x can be minus also.
Yeah.
Because it's run
So
by x, and x can be any value.
yeah. So always this is not advisable for
Okay.
you to cross multiply until unless you know the value is positive or value is negative. Fine.
Okay.
Got it? Now, okay. So again, one more important thing. If a comma b greater than 0, okay, then if a is greater than b, okay, then we can straight away simply square. Fine.
Okay.
Means let's say 2 is greater than 1, तो 2 की वैल्यू भी 1 से बड़ी होगी, ठीक है, 1 के स्क्वायर से
But
मीन्स
we cannot say equal to, right?
इक्वल
In
टू,
that case, we cannot say equal to.
नो
Equal to still can be possible. No, equal to is not possible.
नो
Because
नो,
1 square is not equal to,
या
not greater than 1 square.
yeah, and see here this is the condition. Okay, means equal to what? Means 5 equal to 5, so 25, 5 per square 25 is also always equal to 25. So we
Yeah,
can,
but we cannot say
okay,
greater than.
yeah, so on it depends on the case, what
No,
case.
we cannot say greater than. How will we say greater than?
No, in the question if you are you have been told that x is a variable, now a is a variable here, okay.
Acha,
And
greater than equal to means it can assume either greater value or it can assume equal to value. Okay.
yeah,
It
yeah,
cannot assume both. Acha, so if it's 5, then 5 is equal to 5 and it can be 6. 6 is greater than 5. I
yeah.
mean, this value has to be greater than or it has to be equal to this value, but it cannot be less than that particular value. This greater than equal to that, right?
See, just I am writing it here.
I understood. That greater than equal to means this value has to be bigger than or it has to be equal to that particular
Okay, what I have written here, is this correct? Option A, is
value.
this correct?
25 greater than 25 false.
False. Okay, is this value correct?
Yeah, because it is either greater than or equal to. Yeah, it is correct because it's equal to also there. So it is.
Is this value? This is always true. Okay, fine. Got it?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
definitely, so you need to definitely take care of all these things here. Okay.
yeah.
Now let's move to solving some.
But it looks a little odd. Like once you write it 25 greater than equal to 25. Like if we write it in terms of equation, then it looks little correct. But general way of representation doesn't look correct, right?
Yeah,
But it
general
is correct. Mathematically, it's correct.
mathematically this is correct. Okay, this is 100% correct. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Because 25 greater than equal to 25 when you write means 25, this value is either greater than, so this is not greater than, okay, but this is equal to, right? These two
Agreed.
values are equal. Definitely this is true. Fine.
Agreed.
Okay. Yeah. So now let's move to solving algebraic inequalities. So let's say we have the value x square minus what, x square, let's minus 8 greater than equal to 1. So now just try to give me the
So
answer
if
of
we
this.
are representing integers on a number cell, it will be dot dot dot, right?
What
Like
integers?
if we are representing on a number line, it will be
Hmm.
dot dot dot, right? Like 1 ke bar dot and 2 ke bar dot, right?
See, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4.
Yeah, it will
Fine.
be dot dot dot, right? Like
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
put dot dots.
yeah, dot 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 hyphen slash whatever, or just a small mark. Okay, just yeah, ऐसे
No,
करके.
no, no. Like if x is equal to 4, so we have to represent that on a number line. So we'll put a dot next to 4, right?
Yeah, x equal to 4 here in this way. Okay.
Yeah,
and if
like that only,
x
right?
greater than 4, then this way. Okay, and if x
And if
greater
it's
than
given that x is the integer and it can assume any value between 1 to 4, so we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4
yeah,
all give the
yeah,
dots, right?
yeah, definitely all two dots. That's it. This is
Okay.
called curvy wave method. Okay, this is called what? Curvy wave method. This
Okay.
is kind of wave. This is where making curve. Okay, so that is what. Also, someone you can find out distance method also. So all these are same. In distance method, we represent in this way. Here, let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, we want to include 1. Let it be. We do not want to include 2. Mark 0 here. In this way. Okay, just mark a gap. If you want to include 3, let it be here. If you want to include 4, let it be here. If you do not want to include 5, mark here. Okay, so in this way you can know. Here you do not want to include 0. So this is basically the same, how you represent basically the values. Okay, so all these are same. So do not mark in this way. Okay, this is basically the representation. Answer will not change here. Fine, got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, so just try to solve this question. Okay, after that I will tell you the entire method how to solve all this type of problems here. X square minus 8 greater than equal to 1.
So x square greater than equal to 9. No, like minus 8, so we are reversed. The sign should change.
Yeah, fine. So
X square is less than equal to 9.
yeah,
And x is less than equal to 3, I guess.
yeah, fine. See, x square minus 8 minus 1 greater than equal to 0. यहाँ तक समझ में आना ये?
Yeah,
इसका क्या मतलब x
yeah.
स्क्वायर माइनस 9 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0? तो ये देखो किसका फॉर्म है, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर है ना ये,
Huh?
है ना? तो व्हाट डज
Yeah.
दिस मीन? x प्लस 3 इंटू x माइनस
Whole
3,
square minus 3.
तो ये ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 हो गया.
Okay, so we have to put everything on to 0 and then we have to solve it. We have to put one side equal to 0, like 0 should be compulsory, right?
हाँ,
To
ओके,
solve these kind of sum. We
या
cannot say that x square is greater than less than equal to 9 and under root of that means x is less than equal to 3, but that doesn't make sense actually.
या सी what basically you have to do in all these problems. Basically you need to follow some practice करना
Protocols.
पड़ेगा. Okay, practice करना पड़ेगा, but there are some rules which you definitely have to follow so that you feel more comfortable while solving all those types of problem. Okay, so what is a set of
Okay.
rules? So first rule is that whenever you just see problem, whenever you see the problem, try to all
Bring all the
turn
terms in one side.
to LHS or RHS, whatever you feel comfortable. Okay, means left hand side or
Okay.
right hand side. Okay, first term.
Okay.
First rule is this. Okay, after that we always try to factorize. See here I have factorized it, right? Have you seen that?
Ha.
Okay, this is what? This is factor. This is factor. And here x has power 1 only. Here also x has power 1. Fine. Have you seen
Yeah,
it?
but we have to find a quadratic equation. I got
Yeah.
it.
So break, the second step is break into factors. Or we say write in the standard form. Write in standard form. And what is this standard form? The standard form will look like something x plus or minus of a, right? So this is our basically
Yeah.
standard form. So always try to keep the factor in this form. Means here x is positive, here this is a constant, so you can take any value. Means तुम्हारे पास यदि लिखा रहेगा minus of x plus 5, so greater than 0, so what you do, take minus common and you can write in this way, and also just cross multiply from negative sign both the sides. So this you got it?
Acha, you have to always write in that form. Acha, x plus minus. Acha, I got it.
Yeah,
Okay, so
okay.
if it's minus, then you have to change it to we have to change that to common sign. You have to reverse the sign. Okay, I got
Yeah, reverse the sign. Okay, fine. So this is the first and the second step you need to do it. Okay, in tough problems this will not happen, but if you मतलब हर एक बार all the LHS and RHS terms को एक साइड लाना necessary नहीं होगा, but हाँ in starting if since you are studying in the first time, so definitely you should do it. Okay, after that
Okay.
स्टेप टू हमेशा जनरलाइज फॉर्म है, हमेशा काम करेगा स्टेप टू. यू ऑलवेज हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, ऑलवेज ऑलवेज ऑलवेज. ओके, राइट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट बेसिक थिंग. ओके, उसका स्टेप थ्री क्या
Okay.
कहेगा? सो सी हियर आवर प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट, x प्लस थ्री इंटू x minus 3 greater than equal to 0, right? See, this is our equation. See, got it? समझ में आया
Yeah.
यहाँ तक? सो इसके आगे कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे ये देखो. सो अब देखो हमें क्या मिल गया, फैक्टर मिल गया. अब व्हाट वी विल डू, ये बताओ इसका रूट क्या है?
-3 and +3.
ओके.
Okay, so I will solve it further. So x plus 3 is greater than 0. We'll separate this factor with that RHS,
ओके, जस्ट गिव मी मोमेंट.
and we'll separate x plus -3 is greater than.
हेलो.
Hello, are you talking?
हेलो.
Hello, are you talking to me?
हेलो, या आयुष, कैन यू लिसन मी?
Acha, means you are talking to. Acha, I don't.
No,
Yeah,
no, I was talking to someone else. I got a phone. Okay.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Why are you saying hello? Hello? Yeah,
Yeah, fine. Yeah, Ayush, what I am telling you here. Okay, Ayush, we'll continue next. Okay, just give me a moment. Hello. Yeah, Ayush, are you there?
yeah,
Hello. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. I got an important call
yeah,
from the office. Okay, yeah, fine. हाँ, कहाँ पर थे? Yeah, so you have this. यहाँ तक समझ में आया ना जी?
yeah.
ओके फाइन. सो अब इसको आगे सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे ये देखो. सो जब भी तुमने ये दोनों स्टेप कर लिया, मतलब स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिख दिया और इसको फैक्टर बना दिया, सो व्हाट विल यू डू, व्हाट इज द रूट? लेट्स से x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. सो व्हेन यू से रूट क्या है इसका, सो रूट क्या होगा इसका, x इक्वल टू -5. मतलब जिस वैल्यू पर वो जो आइडेंटिटी दी हुई है वो 0 हो जाए, दैट इज द वैल्यू वी कॉल रूट. मींस लेट्स से x प्लस 10 दिया हुआ है. इफ यू आई मतलब हम तुमको बोले कि व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन, दिस आइडेंटिटी, व्हाट विल से x प्लस 10 इक्वल टू 0, मींस x की जो वैल्यू आ गई वो क्या हो गई, इसकी रूट हो गई. समझ में, जहां पर द वैल्यू, द एक्सप्रेशन बिकम्स 0.
-3.
ओके, द एक्सप्रेशन बिकम्स 0. So that value is called x का रूट। समझ में आया? ओके, गॉट इट।
Okay.
ओके, सो देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, यहाँ पर रूट क्या है, x प्लस थ्री को जीरो पुट करो तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, -3, और x माइनस थ्री इक्वल टू जीरो पुट करो तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 3 आ गई। सो व्हाट इज द रूट? रूट क्या है, -3 और 3 है ना रूट।
Yeah.
ओके फाइन। सो x इक्वल टू -3 और 3 जब रूट है इसका, तो हमारा नेक्स्ट रूल क्या कहता है, स्टेप 3 क्या कहता है, सिंस वी हैव सीन स्टेप 1 स्टेप 2, सो वी नीड टू प्लॉट all the root. We need to plot all the roots in the number line. In the number
Okay.
line in increasing order. Okay. In increasing order. So increasing order का मतलब इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, जैसे मतलब -3 और 3 है, तो यहाँ पर जैसे 0 है तो सबसे पहले प्लॉट करो -3 को, फिर प्लॉट करो, यहाँ 3 है राइट, सॉरी ये, या सो फिर प्लॉट करो 3 को। ये हमारा क्या है, इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, मतलब
Your voice was breaking. Can you please repeat? Your yeah.
yeah fine. I told you, if you mark all the roots, okay, if you have seen all the roots of the expression, then mark it on the number line in the increasing order.
Okay.
मीन्स यहाँ पर तुम्हारे पास -3 और 3 रूट है ना, तो -3 पहले
Yeah.
आएगा और 3 बाद में आएगा राइट। नंबर लाइन कैसे चलता है, 0 यहाँ
Agreed.
पर है, 1 यहाँ।
Agreed. Agreed.
ओके, सो इन दिस वे ओनली यू हैव टू मार्क। अब क्या करना है तुम्हें, सी नाउ दिस इज द स्टेप 3। नाउ स्टेप 4 क्या कहता है, स्टेप 4 कहता है, जैसे यहाँ पर तो आ गए, स्टेप 4 हमारा ये कहता है, once we have marked the roots on the numbers line। स्टेप 4 कहता
Your
है,
voice is breaking.
ओके
Hello.
हेलो, या आयुष जस्ट गिव मी मोमेंट, ओके या आयुष, या फाइन,
Still breaking.
या इट्स, इज इट फाइन, नो इट्स नॉट फाइन, या आयुष हेलो, या इज इट फाइन नाउ,
Yeah, it's fine.
ओके या देयर इज सम इंटरनेट ग्लिच दे आउट देयर, ओके। सो हम बोल रहे थे कि once you have marked the roots on the number line, fine, number line,
Yeah.
hello, तो after that see the
Yeah.
what power the factors have, मतलब let's say if the factor, let's say factor x plus a has power p, ठीक है, यदि p तुम्हारा, if p is even and p is odd, तो इसका मतलब इवन पर साइन विल नॉट चेंज। ओके, अब इसका मतलब समझाते हैं हम, ठीक है, इसका मतलब समझाएंगे, ठीक है, और ऑड पर साइन विल चेंज। अब इसका मतलब क्या होता है, कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है, उसको समझाते हैं, बट फॉर नाउ स्टेप 4 के लिए हम ये बता दिए ये करना है। और स्टेप 5 क्या है, मार्क पॉजिटिव एट द राइट हैंड साइड, राइट हैंड साइड, ठीक है। अब इसका मतलब क्या है ये समझो, कि जैसे तुम्हारे पास x प्लस थ्री इंटू एक्स माइनस थ्री ग्रेटर देन जीरो इक्वल टू जीरो है, तो यू हैव प्लॉटेड ऑन द नंबर लाइन -3 एंड दिस इज +3। अब मैंने बोला कि मार्क पॉजिटिव एट द राइट हैंड साइड, मतलब सबसे लास्ट में जो होगा यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव मार्क करो, ठीक है। यहाँ तक समझ में आया आयुष?
Hmm.
ठीक है, यहाँ तक समझ में आया ना?
Yeah.
अब मैंने क्या बोला, यदि पावर इवन है तो साइन विल नॉट चेंज। तो ये बताओ x+3 पर पावर 1 है ना,
हाँ.
x, तो ये 1 ऑड है, इवन है?
Even. अच्छा, one is odd.
1 इज ऑड ना, सो ऑड पर क्या होगा, साइन विल चेंज, है ना, ये लिखा है मैंने।
अच्छा.
तो यहाँ पर
हाँ
देखो ये
हाँ
3 है ना, ये 3 पर तो पावर 1 था, पावर क्या था, 1 था।
हाँ
तो यहाँ पर देखो ये रीजन में पॉजिटिव लिखा है ना यहाँ पर हम, तो साइन चेंज होगा, मतलब यहाँ आ जाएगा
हाँ
नेगेटिव, ठीक है, समझ में आया? ये रूल है। अब ये रूल का
हाँ
फिर एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे, बट अभी के लिए ये रूल समझो, साइन क्या हुआ, चेंज हुआ यदि पावर ऑड है, पावर पी है ना, ऑड है तो साइन विल चेंज ना,
हाँ हाँ
तो वही मैंने किया, x
हाँ.
प्लस थ्री, ठीक है,
But where did it change?
क्या
where did it change? Like you just put it on between minus.
हाँ या फाइन। अब देखो यहाँ -3 है ना, सो व्हाट इज, देखो x इस रूट को जब इक्वेट किए 0 से, सो x इक्वल टू -3 आया ना, और जब इस रूट को इक्वेट किया थे
हाँ
0 से, तब x इक्वल टू +3 आया। तो x इक्वल टू +3 वाला
हाँ
पे हमने साइन चेंज किया। अब देखो x इक्वल टू -3 है, तो -3 पर भी पावर तो 1 ही है ना केवल, एंड 1 इज अगेन ऑड। सो हम लोग
हाँ
अगेन यहाँ पर साइन चेंज करेंगे, तो यहाँ पर प्लस पुट करेंगे, ठीक है।
हाँ
साइन चेंज, अगेन यहाँ पर साइन चेंज, ठीक है, समझ में आया।
हाँ
ठीक है, तो अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जब जब हमें ऑड पावर दिखेगी, जब जब हमें पावर ऑड नजर आएगी, हम लोग साइन चेंज करेंगे, पावर इवन नजर आएगी तो हम लोग साइन चेंज नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। तो अब
okay,
हमारा पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया। जैसे x+3 इंटू x-3 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0, तो अब हमें चाहिए क्या, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 वाला पार्ट चाहिए ना। इस क्वेश्चन में
हम्म,
हमें चाहिए क्या, ग्रेटर देन 0 इक्वल टू 0। इसका मतलब हमें वी नीड पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज, राइट। पॉजिटिव वैल्यू हमको चाहिए, मतलब हमें पॉजिटिव कहाँ का दिख रहा है, देखो ये रीजन में पॉजिटिव दिख रहा है ना, मैंने मार्क किया ना ये रीजन में पॉजिटिव,
हाँ
और यहाँ
हाँ
पर भी
हाँ
मैंने मार्क किया पॉजिटिव। तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, और देखो यहाँ पर इक्वलिटी होल्ड कर रहा है, ठीक है। तो हम इसको भी लेंगे, ठीक है, इसको भी लेंगे, मतलब -3 को भी लेंगे, +3 को भी लेंगे, ठीक है। तो इसका
ओके
मतलब क्या हुआ, हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, x बिलोंग्स टू, देखो पहला रीजन क्या हो गया, ये वाला रीजन हो गया हमारा, ठीक है। जस्ट पहला रीजन क्या हो गया, माइनस, देखो ये -∞ वाला रीजन, -∞ से -3 तक, ठीक है। यूनियन
अच्छा
3 से इंफिनिटी तक, ठीक है, 3 से इंफिनिटी तक। समझ में आया, ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा, ये दोनों का
अच्छा
कॉम्बिनेशन। तो यूनियन कब आता है, जब भी हमारा आंसर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 होता है ना, तब यूनियन आता है, ठीक है। फिलहाल के लिए जान दो। तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, यही आंसर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो दिस इज आवर आंसर, ठीक है। तो एक और एग्जांपल लो, जैसे x² -16 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 मैंने कहता हूँ। तो हाँ, पहला स्टेप क्या होगा, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में x-4 इंटू x+4 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0, and again now start plotting -4 here, this is +4, again see x-4 इक्वल टू 0, तो x का रूट क्या आया 4, x+4 इक्वल टू 0, x का रूट क्या आया -4। तो देखो यहाँ पर पावर तो एक ही है, यहाँ पर पावर एक ही है हमारा, यहाँ पर भी पावर एक है, तो यहाँ पर लिख दो पावर एक है, पावर एक है, और ये एक क्या है, ऑड है, ये एक क्या है, ऑड है। अब मैंने क्या बताया, सबसे राइट हैंड साइड जहाँ पर इन्फिनिटी है वहां पर भैया पॉजिटिव मार्क करो, तो वी मार्क पॉजिटिव हियर। अगेन सिंस दिस पावर इज ऑड, वी हैव टू चेंज द साइन, दिस इज आवर रूल। So we will change the sign, positive to negative will change, right? We change the sign. Again this power is odd, so again we will change the sign, so again this is positive, right? Okay, so answer क्या होता है, greater than
ओके
equal to 0। so greater than equal to 0 कहाँ पर है, ये बताओ। greater than equal to 0 कहाँ है, पॉजिटिव वाला
पॉजिटिव
जब यहाँ पर है ना, तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, ये रीजन
इक्वल टू
आंसर।
भी है
तो x बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट, अब देखो इक्वल टू भी है, तो हम लोग इस वैल्यू को भी लेंगे, इसको भी लेंगे, ठीक है। सो -∞
ओके
से -4 ये क्लोज होगा, यूनियन ये 4 से इंफिनिटी होगा, ठीक है। ये हमारा कंप्लीट आंसर होगा,
ओके
ओके फाइन। सो आयुष आज के लिए इतना ही, आई हैव गॉट ओके, आई एम गेटिंग सम अर्जेंट कॉल्स हियर, आई नीड टू मूव
I
ऑन।
generally I generally do it from the other method, like x minus 4 is greater than equal to 0, right? So we generally open the brackets, like so, and the inequality change. So x is lesser than equal to 4. So whatever values are lesser than equal to 4, we'll mark that. Sorry, x is greater than minus change हो जाएगा, right? If we open the bracket, then how will we do it? Like other method.
व्हाट आर द
अच्छा,
मेथड।
we are doing that minus, right? Like x minus 4 into x plus 4, right?
हम्म
Is greater than equal to 0. And so if we do not use, this is the only method of what to put plus, minus, and plus, or we can use it through, or this is the only method. I don't know.
there are two methods, but this is the most simple method, okay. The other method you will automatically learn when you will your expertise, means you, if you solve 100 questions you will get all these things, okay. But this is the method, which is the basic method, and from the starting, okay. So this is the only method. Other method is you just put any value in this range, okay, means when you plot roots on the number line, तो यहाँ पर हमें 4 से ज्यादा मिले, मीन्स पुट 100. सो 100 minus 4, दिस इज पॉजिटिव. ओके, दिस 100 minus 4 is 96. 100 plus 4 96. तो 96 and 96 क्या हुआ, एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है. नाउ पुट वैल्यू बिटवीन -4 से 4. लेट्स से यू पुट 0. सो 0 minus 4 is what, -4. 0 plus 4 is 4. So this is what, a negative number, right? This is what, a positive number. Again put minus, means less than value -4, means put, let's say, -100. So -100 minus 4, what happened, -104. -100 plus 4, it becomes -96, and this is multiplied. So again minus minus will become positive. So you need what, you need value greater than equal to 0. It means we are good with all these two. Okay, fine, got it. This is the other method
So
of,
there is no method like if you open the bracket like x is less than equal to 4 will come and x is greater than equal to 4 will come. Like if you just open the bracket.
I just open the bracket.
Yeah, like x minus 4 is like the minus sign will go on that side, so the sign will change, right? So like x is greater than equal to 4 and x is lesser than equal to.
No, don't use that. Okay, don't use it. So you want to say x minus 4. Again, you want to open
Greater
it.
than equal to 0.
Okay,
Yeah. No,
okay,
I just want to say, yeah.
okay, from here only.
So x, so now, but inequality changes, right? Because
No,
once we are changing it,
don't,
because x is greater than equal to 0.
no, don't use it. Okay. So इसका क्या मतलब होगा? You just see it here. What you are telling me? Okay, just a moment. Yeah. So what you are telling me? What you are telling me? X plus 4 into x minus 4 greater than equal to 0. तो तुम, you are telling me x plus 4 greater than equal to 0 कीजिए सर, x minus 4 greater than equal to 0 कीजिए. So x हो गया यहाँ -4 से बड़ा, और यहाँ पर भी हो गया ये +4 से बड़ा. You want to say this, right?
No, because the sign will change, right? X is then x minus 4 goes above, then the equality changes, right? So x is lesser than equal to 4.
X is lesser than equal to 4. This one. And where minus sign will go?
I guess
Where? How can you name?
minus goes to that side, right? Because minus 4 from here will go to that side, right?
Yeah, this is what I did na. X greater than equal to 4. X greater than equal to -4. This is what, okay?
Lesser than हो जाएगा ना, because the minus is going on that side, right?
भाई बच्चा नहीं, देखो लेसर कब होगा, साइन कब चेंज होता है, जब व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई x + 4 greater than 0, x - 4 greater than 0. ये बताओ यहाँ पर क्या होगा, x greater than -4 होगा ना, x greater than 4 होगा. यदि पॉजिटिव, यदि एडिशन है, यदि सब्ट्रैक्शन है, तब तो कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. जस्ट यूज द सिंपल मेथड विच यू लर्न अंटिल क्लास 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके, यदि प्रोडक्ट माइनस नेगेटिव से करोगे, मीन्स यदि -1 इंटू ऑफ x + 4 कर दिए तब ये साइन चेंज होगा. यदि -1 इंटू ऑफ x - 4 कर दिए तब ये चेंज होगा. Otherwise, simply if you are using the method, don't change the sign. Keep the normal
Okay.
method. Okay, fine. And we cannot here
Okay.
split it. Okay, we can split. हम लोग इसको यदि यहाँ पर लिखा है x + 4 into x - 4 greater than 0, we cannot split. We cannot split in this way. X + 4 greater than 0, x - 4 greater than 0. We cannot split in this way. We cannot split it here. We can't. Okay, don't split here. We can't split. Fine. Because ये जो लिखा हुआ है
Okay.
प्रोडक्ट में लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, मीन्स 25 को यदि तुम 5 into 5 लिखो तो तब ये 25 बनेगा. बट व्हाट इफ 5 + 5 लिखो तो ये 10 बन जाएगा, राइट? तो ये दोनों अलग है, बट प्रोडक्ट क्या है, ये दोनों एक नहीं है, ठीक है. सो वी कैन नॉट स्प्लिट. फाइन. या
Okay.
ओके, गॉट इट. सो आज के क्लास के लिए, so you can try Arun Sharma book. Okay, so you have any addition, you can try it out, or you can definitely find.
Okay, because generally in quadratic equation we generally split it, right? Like it's 5 into like x minus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 0, then we split it generally. Like x is
Yeah,
equal to 4 or minus 4.
yeah, the quadratic
But
equation
in
is different
inequality,
there.
we cannot do that.
Yeah, we cannot do that. Okay. Yeah, I used to just try the homework. Okay, so I will end the session and I will come to you tomorrow
Yeah,
for anything.
tomorrow we'll meet at 7 o'clock, right?
Yeah, if I will just confirm you at today evening. Okay, if possible, because there are other things also which are on the way. Okay, so I will confirm tomorrow for
Okay, so how
next.
many hours you can give me around? Like if you
Mm,
just tell me so that I'll work accordingly. Like what
no,
is
no.
your schedule exactly?
Actually, no, my study. I am getting too much of calls right now here because I cannot extend here. I cannot. I shouldn't have extended
No, no,
from.
I'm not saying not right now. I'm not saying right now. Like
Yeah,
what
I
is the
will
general
discuss.
schedule?
I will discuss later. Okay, from mostly my work started from 9 and goes till 7 8 p.m. Onwards. Okay, that's one only. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Uh,
And after 8 p.m. I don't want to get involved in it. But yeah, so at night mostly if got some time, but not before that. Okay, fine. So I will discuss okay whatever things because अभी daily लिए इतना late possible क्योंकि आज मैंने message किया कि आज थोड़ा late होगा, so that is the office allowed, but they cannot allow me every day because I have to take classes and I have to schedule everything. So if possible हम रात में भी ले सकते हैं, दिन में भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, it depends because I have already told you. Okay, what is the okay. So if you are comfortable, then only.
okay, so
Otherwise,
you are saying you are saying